Excuse me.
Ah!
Do you require utensils?
Oh, why certainly. That'd be most. What is the meaning of this? Is this a prank?
No, these are our utensils.
Utensils, you say? Who do you take me as, a fool?
If you don't know how to use them, then yes.
Well, if you think I'm so foolish, why don't you teach me how to use chopsticks?
Okay then, I guess I will. Now to start off, you're gonna wanna grab one of the chopsticks and put it on the perlicue of your hand. Now, you're gonna wanna use your dominant hand, cause that's gonna be the most comfortable for you, in my opinion. And the perlicue is basically where the thumb and the index finger go into the hand and make that weird flap on your hand. And you're gonna wanna lay that and the top of your ring finger. You're just gonna wanna lean that on there, just like that. And then you're gonna wanna press your thumb down on the chopstick to keep it planted in your hand, but not so hard that it's gonna hurt, just enough so that it won't move anymore, like that. And then you wanna grab your other chopstick, and you're gonna wanna place it in between your index finger and your ring finger, like that. And you're gonna wanna press it against the top of your thumb. So your thumb is gonna press against both of the chopsticks to make sure that they aren't gonna move anymore or fall out of your hand. And the only thing that's really gonna move are your index finger and your middle finger. And you're just gonna use the top of your thumb as a pivot point, like that. And to demonstrate how to use these, I'm gonna be picking up these peas. Now you can use anything, but this is small and I think the smaller foods are a bit trickier to pick up and stuff. So for smaller foods, to get more control, you're gonna wanna slide your grip closer to the tip of your chopstick. That's how you get the better grips and stuff. Just pick it up like that. But for bigger foods like meats and some sushis, you're gonna slide it back so you can get the max amount of room to pick it up with. And this can take a lot of coordination and practice. And actually the whole skill of using chopsticks takes some practice and coordination with your hand. And you might not get it right away, but if you do, then I guess good for you. Also, you can adjust your grip to make it comfortable for you. There are actually many other ways to use chopsticks. This is just what I found to be the most, the easiest and the most comfortable. And yeah, that's how you use chopsticks.
Where exactly can you buy these sticks of pleasure?
Well, you can buy these sticks of pleasure at your local Asian supermarket. You can also buy these on Amazon.
Wonderful!
Or online. They usually go in packs of 10 or 5.
10? 1 out of 100!
Then just buy 10 packs of 10.
Very smart. That's very tough.
Yeah. And you can buy some pretty good quality ones. I recommend the wooden ones, but not the cheapo ones. And you really don't want to reuse them because they can splinter and stuff. And if they do splinter, then what you're going to want to do is grab the two. And take both of your hands and then rub them together. And that should get all the splinters out. Yeah, you don't have to do it that dramatically, but you get the point. Hopefully.
It just be like that sometimes.
Okay. So that should give you a good overview on where to buy chopsticks, how to use them, and what they are.